Now, for all of our friends watching tonight who is not Malaysian, I want you to remember this very important criteria. Number one, only look at these three states. Don't bother looking at any other state. Only look at KL, only look at Johor, only look at Penang. You buy any other state, you will most likely have difficulty to exit. There's not enough pool expat buyers who will buy from you when you want to exit. So the market with the highest liquidity, highest number of foreigner purchasing is Kuala Lumpur, KL and Penang. Our foreign friends, non-Malaysian, please remember this. I want you to make money buying in Malaysia. Stop buying bullshit property at bullshit location and you lost money. So that's guide number one. Guide number two, again, I want you to remember very clearly. You can't just simply buy anything in Johor, KL or Penang. You have to buy only tier 1 area in each of these states. Tier 1 is where the expats buy, rent and stay. Right? Tier 2, tier 3 is where the locals are at. So, buy where people or expat, people who are just like you, already looking to buy and you are paying a fair price point. You are not paying a foreigner price. So, number one, as a foreigner, always only buy Johor, KL and Penang. Number two, even when you enter in these states, please only buy in tier 1 areas only. So, if you are non-Malaysian, please do not venture outside of tier S and tier 1 anywhere in Malaysia.